guys, welcome back to Fluffer Nugget. So today we are going to go to the Fidget Hub. The Fidget Trading room is where we're going today. We already went to the restaurant yesterday, and I'm sorry, I was really busy last night, so I didn't make more videos yesterday. So I'm actually going to do it every 2 days, every week. Next week, I will do my last episode and do my the fidget store. Also, yesterday, I found out that I actually had Tylenol at my house and made a simple dimple out of it. That's what I've been playing with. Anyway, so yesterday we went to the food restaurant and we figured out that they served fidgets instead of actual food. So we went to the restaurant. Today, instead of going to the manager or the store, we are going to the trading hub. But there are some rules. A lot of people don't follow these rules, but no scamming. Also, be careful, there are scammers. Well, let's go in and see if people are worthy to scam. Let's see. If we scam my homemade simple dimple for all of that stuff, we will have lots more things. So let's see if she wants to do it. Trading this homemade, exclusive, simple dimple. Oh my gosh. It just broke. Guys. Should I lie? Yeah. Exclusive, break apart simple dimple that you can easily put back together, which I have another part if you want it. Trading. Let's see, does anybody even want it? Oh my gosh, I want it. Well, this is exclusive and is really good. Do you want the third piece? But the only thing is you have to pay way more. Yes, I want the third piece. Just don't scam me. This is my first time trading. I was just at the restaurant for many days. It's really good. I didn't eat any of it, but I got a lot of stuff out of it. Oh, me too. That's where I got all my stuff, except for this homemade simple dimple. Anyway, I won't scam you. Yes, I will. Anyway, I won't scam you, but you will have to pay a lot. It's very exclusive. You can brag to your friends about how exclusive it is. And it can be put back together, but I'm too lazy to do it. Do you want me to grab the third piece? Yes, I already told you I wanted it. Okay, fine. This one's not been kicked in yet. Kick it in fast. And then trade. I'm sorry, jeez. Okay, are you gonna accept the trade or not? Yes, I'll accept the trade. Anyway, what will you trade? I'm really excited to see what you'll trade. I'll trade, my color changing Nido and my mochi. Okay, sounds great. But you might need to add, I'll see how good they are. Okay, sounds good. Here they are. Okay. Oh my gosh. This Mochi is so sticky. I'm definitely scamming. And this, it's hard. Mine is way better. This and that. Please add. Your stuff isn't the best. Fine, I'll add my putty. No, you have to add the Rubik's Cube, or else I will not trade it. Fine, I'll add all of it. But if I see that you're scamming, you have to trade back. Okay. Sure. Okay, I added them. Are you going to try those out too? No. Wait, is your putty defected? It's defected. I think you have to add. But those are all my fidgets. Still add. Go to the restaurant, get more. Fine. Oh my gosh, guys, I've been waiting for so long now, and she just got back. Okay, I got myself the Squishmallow. She got the Squishmallow. You got the Squishmallow? That's my dream. Just give it to me with all that stuff, and I'll give you all of these. Sure, fine. But if you're scamming, you have to trade back. No, we don't. It's my rules. We're both newcomers, so we don't have to trade back. We both get to create our own rules to our fidget trading. Fine. We'll do that. But, don't expect me to do that forever, because if you expect me to do it forever, then I won't. Anyway, here's the Squishmallow I got. It's new and it's nice. Now, are you going to accept or not? Oh my gosh. You know what? You're under. I'll just have to take this right back. Now, you're perfectly fine. Except, I guess I accept, but I really do feel like that was a scam. Whatever. Okay, trading. I feel bad because I scammed, but whatever, because I am already fidget rich. This does a lot for me. Now I don't even have to scam to get a lot. I can just, yeah. This is going to work out well. And I think I should do more trading instead of just going to the store. And yeah, comment down below if you want me to do more trading. Also, do you like my Pride Month nails?